wallpaper lovers, and welcome back to All You Need is Wallpaper. I am Yolanda Brooks, your go-to expert for all things wall. Today we're tackling a question. Is it wallpaper or is it wall covering? And does it even matter? Well, in answer to your question, it actually does kind of matter. Understanding the difference can save you time and it can save you money and ensure your walls look absolutely stunning for years to come. So let's dive in. Let's start with the basics. What is the difference? Think of it this way. Wallpaper is a type of wall covering. Wall covering is the broader umbrella term. Wallpaper traditionally refers to decorative wall treatments that are primarily made from paper. They often feature beautiful printed patterns, textures, or designs. Now, wall coverings encompass everything put on a wall that isn't paint. This includes wallpaper, but also vinyl, leather, fabric back materials, natural fibers like grass cloth, cork, metallics, and even specialized acoustic or waterproof materials. The key here is often increased durability, specialized function, or a distinct texture that goes beyond what a typical paper-based product offers. Let's talk about the base material, or the substrate behind these beauties. This is often where the real difference lies. For traditional wallpaper, you'll typically find a paper backing. This is absorbent and needs paste applied directly to it. Newer, more popular wallpapers are often non-woven. This is a blend of paper and synthetic fibers that makes them incredibly durable, tear resistant, and breathable. It's also often called paste the wall wallpaper, making installation much easier. When we talk wall coverings, we're often looking at more robust substrates. You'll see things like a solid vinyl, which is extremely durable and washable, or fabric-backed vinyl, which offers even more strength and can hide wall imperfections. Then there are natural fibers like grass cloth, or even specialized materials like mylar for a metallic sheen. Each substrate brings unique characteristics to the table. So how do we choose? It really comes down to where it's going. What kind of wear and tear will it face? And your desired aesthetic. Durability. If you have a high traffic area like a hallway, a kid's playroom, or a commercial space, a robust wall covering, think heavy duty vinyl, or even a commercial grade fabric backed option is your best bet. They resist scuffs, tears, and can handle a lot of impact. For a low traffic bedroom or an accent wall, a beautiful paper or non-woven wallpaper might be perfect. Maintenance. This is huge. Can you wash it? Most vinyl wall coverings are scrubbable. They're ideal for kitchens and bathrooms. Non-woven wallpapers are often wipeable. Traditional paper wallpapers are usually not washable and require delicate care. Natural fiber wall coverings like grass cloth are beautiful but notoriously difficult to clean. Interior design styles, this is where the magic happens. Wallpaper excels in delicate patterns, traditional florals, intricate designs, and lighter, softer aesthetics. It's perfect for bedrooms, cozy living rooms, or classic dining spaces. Wall coverings bring texture, heavy-duty durability, and often a more modern, commercial, or organic feel. Just imagine a sleek vinyl in a contemporary office, a luxurious fabric-backed option in a high-end hotel lobby, or a rustic grass cloth in a bohemian living room. And speaking of making choices, Stay tuned because later in this video, I am going to reveal my top wallpaper and wall covering trends that are exploding right now. You won't want to miss that. If you're enjoying this deep dive, hit that like button and subscribe. And tell me in the comments below, how important is durability in your choice between wallpaper and wall coverings? I love hearing from you, and I answer all questions, so you have the answers you need to continue your wallpaper journey. Understanding how these products are sold and installed is key to planning your project. Wallpaper typically sold in rolls. Standard residential rolls often come in sizes like 20.5 inches wide by 33 feet long, covering about 56 square feet. Double rolls are also common, usually around 20.5 or 27 inches wide and 66 feet long. You'll buy the roll, but always check the square footage covered. Also note, some brands sell by panels. Wall coverings, especially commercial grade, are often sold by the linear yard or linear foot. This means buying a continuous length of the material at a specific width, usually 54 inches wide as an example. You'll typically find this for heavy vinyls, fabric-backed options, and some natural fibers. The installation process can differ significantly between wallpaper and wall coverings. Wallpaper, especially non-woven, often pastes the wall. You apply the adhesive directly to the wall. Then you hang the dry strip. This is generally cleaner and easier for DIYer. Peel and stick is even simpler. Just peel the backing and stick. Traditional paper wallpaper requires paste the paper. You apply the adhesive to the wallpaper strip. Then book, folding it paste to paste, for a few minutes to allow the paste to activate and the paper to relax before hanging. Heavy wall coverings, example fabric-backed vinyl, some grass cloths. These are heavier and thicker. They almost always require a strong specific adhesive applied directly to the backing of the wall covering, and a very precise hanging technique. Seams need careful attention, and professional installation is often required or recommended. Natural fiber wall coverings like grass cloth, these require specialized, non-staining, clear adhesives and extreme care. The natural imperfections and visible seams mean a different aesthetic expectation and a very delicate hanging process. All right, as promised, let's talk about trends. This is what's hot right now in the world of wall decor. Non-woven pastels and biophilic prints. Think soft greens, dusty blues, and an intricate botanical patterns. They're easy to install and remove, offering good longevity for residential use. Peel and stick geometric patterns are always trending for accent walls, renters and DIYers. Super easy to change out, so longevity is more about your desire to refresh. Traditional toile and chinoiserie making a huge comeback for classic, elegant spaces. These can last for decades if cared for, offering timeless appeal. Paintable embossed wallpaper. These are perfect for adding texture that can be customized with paint. Very durable once painted, allowing for great longevity. Subtle metallic sheen wallpapers, often non-woven or light vinyl coated, adding a touch of glamour without being overwhelming. Good durability for medium traffic areas. Textured vinyls like faux grass plot, linen, concrete, incredibly popular for high traffic areas, and they're excellent for longevity. Acoustic wall coverings. It's gaining a lot of traction for home theaters, offices, and open concept living. They offer excellent longevity and performance. Large scale mural wall coverings, either in the non-woven or vinyl. Custom or photographic murals are huge. Non-woven versions are easy to install, while vinyl offers superior washability. and incredible longevity for dramatic transformations. Natural grass cloth, a timeless classic experiencing a major resurgence. While delicate to clean, its unique texture ensures significant longevity if well maintained in a low traffic area. Commercial grade fabric backed vinyl, the go-to for durability in busy spaces like hotels and hospitals, but also finding its way into high-end residential, unmatched longevity. 3D wall covering. 3D wall covering has gained popularity for its ability to add depth and texture to interiors, making it ideal for feature walls in modern homes, commercial spaces, and entertainment venues where visual impact is imperative. And there you have it. The ultimate guide to understanding the world of wallpaper versus wall coverings. It's more than just a pretty pattern. It's about choosing the right material for the right space to create lasting beauty and function. If you found this video helpful, please give it a big thumbs up. Share it with a friend who's curious about wall decor. And of course, subscribe to All You Need Is Wallpaper for more expert tips and inspiration. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.